Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to open Social Club in GTA 5. Well, today's video, I will teach you how to open Social Club in GTA 5. To open Social Club in GTA 5, first thing you need to do is, in your keyboard, click on Home. After clicking on that, there you go. It will now be open. Now to go back to your game, just click on Escape, and then there you go. And if another way, if you don't have the home in your keyboard, click on Escape. After clicking on Escape, go to Settings. After clicking on Settings, click on Keybinds and enter there. Then, as you can see right here, you will see a Rockstar Game Overlay. Go there and then choose right here. Then add a secondary one. There you go. Once you're here, choose. As you can see, it's now blinking. Choose a random call this keyboard that you want to use for the social club. So let's choose this one. There you go. There. As you can see right now, we're gonna click on that. There you go. It pops up the social club. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, because you enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also, if you want, do it manually. Go to the Rockstar Games itself and then open social club there. There. So if you don't want to do it in the game itself. So there. I hope you guys liked the video, because you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.